Just gonna check on my YouTube stream if it's everything is working fine. All right, everyone. How are you guys doing today? So today we're going to talk about what we have done so far and what we are going to do. Today is going to be one of the major features that we are going to release. It is not actually a feature that we haven't built yet. It is a feature that we are going to improve at. So this is one of the important things that we are going to do today, and it will be exciting because a couple of different scenarios are coming to my mind that I want to try it on. And but before that, let's celebrate because our next version v1.2 has already been released, and I just got the email from Apple that it is now live on App Store. Let's first check it out. Let's see. I Are you able to see my screen? Perfect. All right. So you see over here, this is my App Store account, and it is showing my application details. And if you look over here, it says what's new, and it says version 1.1. Now let's refresh it. I kept this before I even launched it so that I can do this in front of you guys. So let's see. Voila! 21 minutes ago, it is live. So, this is congratulations to everyone. We have successfully launched our application, which is great news. All right, so let's get back to our stream. Okay, so now that we have submitted our version, the plan for this week will be that I will be releasing 2 or 3 features, and this what we are going to talk about today is one of the main features that we are going to discuss right now. Okay, let's go and do this. Do a application rundown first. Over here. All right. So if you see over here, this is my application looking very nice, and it has everything. But when you click on new, so let's do one by one. So this is one step. When I press on new, then this is the second step, third step, then select of Aya, then attach that Aya, fourth step. Then if I need to do of one more Aya, fifth step, sixth step, and then you put in the information over here, and then you push it over here, add your reflection comments. I just hide this, and theme over here. So in all, there's 6 to 7 steps just to create notes. And to tell truthfully, and then truthfully, this is an extremely friction friction, but it's not frictionless, but it's taking too much friction on the user to make takes so many steps to create a note. What I want to do is like this is one screen that should have all the things, and it should be easier to the for the user that he wants to create a and he wants to add an IA. He should be able to do it with like shortcut like an add button or something like that. So what I'm thinking is like at this moment, let's keep this page and just have a plus button over here. You click on it, model pops up, you select the Aya Surah Tuck, done. Then you change, you update the title, anything, and then in the basically in the details, if you press add and then do 2:25 for example, you should be able to get that. It should automatically attach it the Aya over here. So basically this is the plan, but I'm sure I think there will be other things that I need to do, but still it will be just one page that is being clicked, not the whole 6 to 7 steps that will be required to just create a note. So what do you guys think about it? I think this it will be a much neater application now. But let's see where we are at this moment, and we will see how it works. All right, so should we start or shall we go out to our notes first? Let's do this. As always, we're going to start with the notes that I'm taking so that you guys know what we are doing so far. So this is already done, so I'm going to pause this. Okay, so for today, the flow of adding the node is too cumbersome. Correct. As I showed you right now, there's too many steps. We need to come up with a better design than what it is right now. Perfect. Exactly. Create a help button to showcase how you can the new form can be added. Add shortcut to it so that it is easier for the users as well. Okay, let me see if I came up with a design. I was thinking about it yesterday, but I don't know if I came up with the design at all. I don't think there is a design, but I think you know the idea. I don't want to make too many changes again, because when you do too many changes, it becomes difficult for the user. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in one screen, and sorry, I will put everything in one screen so that user do not have to go to different places to look for the information that they want. I think that will be the best way this application is going to work. So I think we should start now, and probably if everything goes well, it will again be a short video. Otherwise, there's a lot of things we can talk about after the functionalities are done and bugs are fixed. Let's see where we get at, and definitely we'll have some fun after that. All right, so let's start. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Okay, so where is it? Where is my YouTube channel? It's very hard to find YouTube video. Oh, let's look from over here. Yeah, you can't. Is there a way to check it from download it from here? No. Anything from over here? Anyone knows how I can go check the video from YouTube? Anyone? Somebody? Uh, I don't know. Hmm. Let's see. We'll see it later on. I do not have the time to do it right now. Let's do this. Just do on YouTube. Sorry guys, this just came up. I just want to fix it before I move ahead, because it gets annoying afterwards. We'll see it later on. All right, so I think we are good to go now, and let's see. Okay, so let's start the development. Jump to our main screen. Clear, as always, clear this up, and then let's start again. Oops, let's start again. Yep, and run the application. No, 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 no. It's no, 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 no. It's already running. Let's do one more time so that it's functional. See if everything is working. No. Somehow it's not working. Why is it not working? Let's stop the server, try it again, and see what's happening. And then let's do this. Let's see now. Yeah, it's failing. I suppose did it work? Nope. I think we need to shut this down and try it again. Yep, it started again, and you're not able to see the screen anymore. Daily web iPhone. No. Let's do simulator. Perfect. Can you guys hear me properly? Yes? No? Yeah. Alright, so let's begin. Sorry guys, this issue just shows up every now and then. Okay, so what are we going to do today? So the first thing is, let's take a screenshot of the page that we need to update. So anyone who's joining right now, what we are going to do is going to replace all the steps and put it in one page so that it's faster for the user to create notes. So this is something that we are going to do right now. So I'm taking a screenshot of this view so that I can show it to this. When creating a node, everything should be done from this page rather than taking 6 to 7 steps to get to this page. To add a aya, it should be a plus button where when clicked should open the model to see the surah and the ayah, and so the surah and select the ayah. Once selected, it should go back. Let's see what it does. Hopefully it will be done easily. Welcome back, Ahmed. Hope you're enjoying this video. We just started, and the plan is, as I said in the beginning of this video, is that we want to change the view of this note taking section. Like there's too many steps. If you look over here, when I press next, I first need to select the surah, then I need to select the ayah, then I need to attach it, then if there's another ayah, I'll select it and then attach that again, then continue, and then this page opens up. What I want to do is that as soon as I press new, this page shows up and I should be able to navigate everything from this page. So this is what I'm planning to do. So let's see how it does it. I have provided the AI with the UI, and I'm hoping that it will be able to understand what I'm trying to do. Oops, I think I made a mistake as well. Give me a second, I'm going to update something. Yeah, I think I forgot to change this view. Yeah, I'm gonna center it so that it's easier. So it's already done. Let's see. Let's open up the app itself. Yeah. So you guys seeing how it's working? It is similar, but let's just see. I'm just gonna test it quickly and see what happens. Nice, it's still working the way I want it. So everything is fine, but the this thing is not looking nice. what to do. Should I put the linked ayat down below, or should it be on top of the? Usually the title is on the top, then the move. But in this case, I think it's looking a bit weird. All looking nice, and it is with the show me a better UI, and let's ask Gemini to do it, because Gemini's UI is much better than the others. I didn't know my. It's funny that I didn't know that my API was already. How do I move it to rock? Let's see. So somehow I've completed the whole. Okay, yeah, that's fine, because tomorrow I will get the my package will be renewed. So this is good. Let's see if. So what are you doing, and what are you up to, Ahmed, at this moment? How was your day? Cool. This is looking much better. Let's see if it works correctly or not. Okay, what if I do this? Wow, man. Perfect. Nice. If I want to add another. No. I don't want these cards. What do you guys think? Let's do a poll. You guys can tell me if this is looking better than before. To me, it's looking a bit weird. Because yeah, to me it's looking very weird. I don't. It's a very going to be annoying to go down below and add the titles and the information. Rather, it would be nicer that it's in the same line. What to do? What should I do? Any ideas from you guys? Ahmed, if you're there, it would be nice if you can share your thoughts as well. I think let's leave it. No, I don't want to leave it. I don't like it. So let's do that. Let's change it again. Someone said the cards are too big, make it smaller so that anyone can see it. But the problem is that I don't want to make it smaller because anyone can see it. I just want to make it better looking. So what are they doing? So it's like this. So let's move the title on top. I think that would be a good idea. Functionality so that it can open the so that it can open the I think this would be much better. Let's see what it does. So I think this will be a huge change from the application that we are running right now. I think I'm going to remove the content section as well completely, because I think that is one of the things that is giving us problems. Why, you may ask, is because it makes no sense to, when I'm adding a title and the details, and then there's a comment section as well. The comment section should be only available for those who are where the notes are already created, and it's easier to just comment over there. It doesn't make sense to have it over here. Like when you're sending a message to someone, WhatsApp message, or no, not a WhatsApp message, like a Facebook post to someone specific, there are no comments at that time, right? Similar cases over here. So we have to make sure that this is how it is going to work. I think the UI is a bit changed, but the development in the backend AI is still doing it. So let's see what happens. Mm, let's see what is happening. Today was an extremely hot day over here, and thank God it started raining in the middle of the day, because it was very very very, very humid and hot. Nonetheless, we are still going to complete our things, no matter how hot it is. So let's see what happens. Let's try it now. Mm, let's do it. The most merciful. Oh my, this looks so nice. Oh, I think this is. Ah, lost my mic over there for a second. I think this is gonna be a beautiful functionality that no one has ever done before, and it will make this note-taking application much much better. What do you guys think? I think this will help us a lot. Wow, this is looking good. Okay, what if I do this? Okay, I think I need to highlight this function, this Sura section. Okay. Yeah, I think it will be nicer that if it's combined, it's colored, of a different. Remove comments, and then let's see now. Okay, we have the. Highlight the. That it's easier. So, what do you guys think about this flow? Is it better than before, or is the newer one is better? The main again, what I'm thinking always as a user. I believe when you are thinking as a user, you can make an application really, 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 really good. And hey, hey Ahmed, sorry, I was so focused on the work that I was doing, so I didn't see your message right until now. How are you doing today, Ahmed? Okay, so what I'm trying right now is changing the way the notes is taken, or we create notes. Before it was like 4 to 5 steps that we have to take to make a note, but now we are making it easier and easier. And I think it will be really nice when it's live. Do you want to see how it's going to go? Yeah. All right. So let me see. All right, where was I? I was talking to you guys about the flows. I think the most important part is looking at the flows. All right, Emma, did you see? Yeah, so good. You're able to see it now. Perfect. This is exactly why I'm using this application. That it should make it easier for us to make the flow correct. So exactly, that's the purpose that I'm making this application. Okay, so if I was talking to you guys about regarding the user flows, how the flow should be. So when a new application is released, it is important that you release it as fast as you can and see how the users are using it. Like at this moment, I have at least 3 users. I do not know who those users are, and they haven't sent any bad reviews, so I'm taking this as a positive response. But like my main purpose of this application is to make easier for everyone to make notes from within the Quran, the Surah, and the Ayah. So that is why I'm trying to be very picky on the flows that I'm working at. Like you saw yourself that last week we developed a different flow of taking the notes, and now I'm changing it to a different way to do create the note, so that it becomes easier and easier and easier for users to use this application. The easier the application is, the people are going to use it more. That's the name of the game, basically. But this is looking really, really, really nice. I'm so happy with this right now. Let's check it out now. So let's do something like edit over here. Yep. Okay. Now, when you're taking notes, right now it's very simple. Like there's no way to bold it or underline anything or any make any points like numbers. So should I do that or no? Because at this moment it is working nicely, and I think most of the things that I was thinking of and is already done, and it's much better than before. I think I'm going to remove the comment section. Give me 5 minutes and I think I will be able to remove it very quickly. Okay, guys, I think I need to jump off for a bit. I need to get my charging. I'll be back right now in 2 minutes. Hey guys, my laptop battery was about to die, so I need to quickly get the charger. So I think we are good to go again. So the plan is to remove the comments section now. Give me a second. Remove the comment section. Oh, no. So let's see. So what I have done is I have asked it to remove the comment section completely, and let's leave the theme section so that it's easier for everyone to check it out. All right. Almost done. Yes, let's see if it's done or not. Let me have a sip of my tea. This is good. I think we are almost done for today. Just need to make sure that anything else is left. Okay, let's see if they are actually gone. Perfect. And if I add a new one, yes, this is perfect. This is perfect. What do you guys think of this flow? Is it better than before or no? I feel like this is much better than like before, and it's giving you easiness when you're creating a note. What else? Let me see something. Select over here. Is there the? Hey, what happened? Let's add another one. Okay, I think it's getting slower to upload the this. Ah, yeah. Why is it getting slower? Is it because of my laptop, or is it because of my? Is it because of my laptop, or is it because there's something else? There's an issue over here. Hmm. I don't know if I search. Hmm. Nevertheless, I think this is looking nice. So, what have we done so today? I think most of the pages are looking extremely nice now. Everything is similar and nicely integrated with each other. Everything is okay. One thing that I need to make sure is what happens if I edit it. Perfect. This is nice. And what happens if I select it from over here? Bingo bango. Bingo bango. It is working very nicely. Ah, this is what I'm enjoying, man. This is the thing that makes it the application looks amazing. Across the board consistency. Oh, I think this is coming up to be a very nice application. All right, guys, I have a question for you now, and I think it is an important question because up till now all the development has been done on OS side, but I have want to push it to Google as well because a lot of I think there can be a lot of users from Google who can use the same application as well. I don't want to restrict it for iOS. So, what do you guys think about it? Like, I really need a response from you guys so that I can make a decision. I don't want to spend too much time on it. I do not want to spend too much time on it, but I think it will be a great functionality to have it on Google as well. Like people can really use this app. Hey Sami, how are you today? What are you up to? Okay, so this is my newest version of the application. One of the latest version is already live, and secondly, I've changed the way I was taking notes before. Before there were too many steps when I was making the app, when I was working when I was creating a note. But I have removed all those steps now. It's just one step that you need to take to add all everything. Check it out. Okay, let me show you the how it is working right now because I think this is important. Okay, so assume I'm creating a note. So let's do this. I add a title, the most merciful. Give me a second. Let me put it over here. Okay, the most merciful. Right now, I have added this add functionality. When I press add, I can do 55 Rahman, Tron, and this is added over here. This is the app. This is the best Surah opening with Allah's name. Do you see what I'm doing right now? What do you think about this way? If I want to add any, if I want to connect any other ayah with this, you can just click on add, select any ayah, surah, click on it, and this it adds it automatically over here as well. And once it's saved, like for example merciful, I'm gonna save it, and once this is saved, you can see the relationship over here. What do you think about this? If I remember correctly, did I have this before? Really? You like this functionality? I was thinking like before there were too many steps. If you have your app, if you have downloaded the real application, you can try to create a note, and you see a huge difference with this and with the previous flows. So I was thinking that it was taking too much time for me to create a note. So why not use this way? And I think it will be much faster for me us to use the application. Yeah. Would okay. Another thing, should I use those rich text functionalities like creating bold, italic, underlining? Uh, what else? There's so many features. Point like numbers. Will that work? Or I think this is enough for creating a notes. Okay, Sabi, what do you think about a feature that will highlight a specific part of an ayah as well? I was thinking about creating that one, but I think it will be coming in the day or two. Hello, somebody there? Not sure. All right. Anything else that I need to do? Let's check our notes, and if we are done, then let's close it for today. So what we have done so far, let's check it out. So today the flow of this is done. I think this is much better flow. Then create a help button to showcase how can the new form can be added. Yes, this is something that I need to do. Add shortcuts to it so that it's easier for the user. Yeah, this is done. And this is the add functionality that I was talking to you guys about. Okay, leave it as it is. I have already gotten three 2 days ago. So Apple Analytics can only show uh, till 19th of July. So I do not know what happened in between yesterday and today. So until now, there's three users. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I think I will check, because on Monday I did a lot of marketing and distribution between multiple channels to see if anyone is going to download it or not. So tomorrow we are going to know exactly how many users we have for the application. Okay, so let's do this. Of creating the so the help button is showing the previous flow of creating the button notes. The help button should not now show the latest flow. Let's see what happens. Let's just replace this. Okay, so let's see. So how's your application going on? Have you completed your application? I don't understand the question mark that you're showing. What are you asking me? T. Okay, let's see how the help button does. Check it out, Sami. You'll enjoy this part. Let's see. I have three users at this moment, and like I know there's three downloads at least. So and there's like 30 above users saw the page. So hopefully in the coming days it will be much better. Did you check out the flow, the help button, how it showed how to create a note? Did you like the flow? I think this is a very neat flow. It is showing exactly what to do. think I'm getting fond of this flow. Okay. Yes. Yep. Yeah. Same feeling over here, brother. All right. So I think we are done for the day. Let's go back to our Notion. If there's anything left, this was the only thing left for today, and we are gonna close it now. Yeah. So basically, there's a lot I have done on the YouTube channel for today. I create multiple short videos. I also added those on TikTok as well. And basically, I'm getting a very less views at this moment. So I'm looking at how I can grow my views by using shorts. So that's what we tried today. Do test it out and see if those shorts are good enough. I will be changing my the flow of the shorts every day, and at least releasing one to two shorts every day. All right, guys. I think I am done for the day. See you guys for tomorrow, and hopefully. All right. So everything the plan we have done, all the planning we have done in the beginning of the in the beginning of the video have been completed, and I think it's time for me to go. See you guys later. Bye bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.